Hi AJ, hi Sam. How do you feel? Ipapakilala na kayo as Edrix and Rory.
Parang real life na po to, pero excited. I actually bombed a lot.
hindi BL ang ano ha, Edrix Rory ha.
This guy's a good guy. So funny guy.
Anyway, actually ano na lang Sam, kasi 'di ba you started as a child star. We saw you on The Voice, on Team Yay. Pero bigla kang nawala. So what happened? Where did you go?
So I came to the States po just to search for my soul.
Wow.
Ano po, nag-study din po ako yung mga 4 years, but now I'm back. Back and better. Almost yan ang section E.
So your fans will see you for the first time as a teenager.
Exactly.
So anong maipapromise niyo sa mga fans ni Edrix at ni Rory ng Mutya ng Section E?
We promise to give a good adaptation po.
Yes. We promise to keep you guys entertained, and we will not let down your expectations. As a matter of fact, we will exceed it. We will exceed it.
Good job, USA.